Hi friends, today we start the new question. Ni2 plus octahedral complex shows 50% increase in its observed magnetic moment value. Magnetic moment value. Calculate spin orbital coupling constant lambda for Ni2 plus ion using following data. Okay, in example dq is given 850 centimeter inverse. This value is already given. Okay, how you write the answer? Ni is the atomic number of Ni is 28, so electronic configuration 3d8 4s2. Okay, after that you just write Ni. What is the charge here? 2 plus, so system is d8 system. Okay, so after split, when you write the splitting eg T2g, how many electrons are present? 8. 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. How many electrons are present? 7 electrons. Okay, 7 electrons are present. After that from formula we calculate the RS term. From RS term we get the ground state term. Here filling of electron is only one type, so ground state term is triplet A2G is ground state term. Before you have to calculate the values of RS term. Okay, ground state term contains A, hence alpha is equal to 4. Okay, by using spin only formula, what is that spin only formula? Mu s is equal to in root n plus 2. Okay, how many unpaired electrons are present? N is equal to 2. Then put the values. What is that value? 2 2 plus 4. Okay, n is, what is the value of here? N is 2. 2 2 plus 2. Okay, then what is that answer? Here 2 8, so value is 2.84 bm. Okay, Ni2 plus octahedral complex, what is given is Ni2 plus octahedral complex show 15% increase in its observed magnetic moment. So 15% increase in its observed magnetic moment. That means 100%, इनिशियलला 100% होतं, त्याच्यानंतर किती पर्सेंट वाढलं आहे? 15%. दॅट मीन्स 115%. ओके, ॲट दॅट टाइम म्यू एस इज 2.84. For 100% you have to calculate for that one. Okay, so mu effective, which is equal to 3.266. Okay, mu effective, which is equal to mu s 1 minus alpha lambda divided by 10 dq. Okay, 3.26. What is the value of mu s? This calculated here. 2.84. 1 minus 4 into lambda. 10 dq ची व्हॅल्यू पण दिलेली आहे. किती दिलेली आहे? 10 into 850. Okay, so after that you get the answer 3.26 divided by 2.84 is equal to 1 minus 4 into lambda divided by 8500. Okay, after simplification we get the answer minus 4 lambda 1257. Okay, from that you calculate the value of lambda. Okay, this is the answer of this question. That means at the initial, at the 100%, at that time the value is 2.84, but when the Ni2 plus complex show 15% increase in its observed magnetic value, at that time you have to calculate this one. This is the answer. Okay, now we see the next question. Calculate that means octahedral complexes show 3 absorption bands. The question is octahedral complex show which octahedral complex? Cobalt second shows 3 absorption band at 8350 7850 centimeter inverse and 20,000 centimeter inverse with extinction coefficient of 2.8, 8.3 and 5.7 liter per mole centimeter inverse respectively. Calculate spectrochemical parameter, that means dq, and nephelogenetic parameter b with the help of following relation. Okay, this is the question. In example, the formula is given 10 dq is equal to 1 upon 3 twice mu2 minus mu3 plus 5b. 10 dq which is equal to 10 dq which is equal to, what is that, mu2 minus mu1. b0 is equal to 971 centimeter inverse for iron. Okay, then what is that question? Octahedral complex CO2 plus shows the 3 absorption bands at 8350 17,850 20,000 centimeter inverse with extinction coefficient of 2.8, 8.3, 5.7 liter per mole per centimeter respectively. You have to calculate the spectrochemical parameter. What is that parameter? dq, and nephelogenetic parameter b with the help of following relation that is given in example. First you have to write the CO carrying atomic number 27, so 3d7 4s2. Okay, CO2 plus carrying 2 plus charge, so 3d7, that means d7 system. Again you fill the electrons, 7 electrons, 3 4 5 6 7. Write the value of L, 210 minus 1 minus 2. From that you have to calculate the value of L, S, twice S plus 1. Then ground state term from at the last you have to find out the RS term, then ground state term. Okay, in this example ground state term is quartet F and it splits as. ओके, आता तुम्हाला इथे ग्राउंड स्टेट टर्म पर्यंत कॅल्क्युलेशन करायचं आहे. आफ्टर दॅट you have to write mu1 is equal to, see here, first I draw the example diagram quartet F, quartet P. Okay, first see here quartet F, quartet P. Okay, what is that ground state term in quartet F? What is that ground state term? Quartet T1G. Just 2 minutes. Quartet T1G. Okay, what is that next here? Quartet T2G. Okay, after that what is that value here? Quartet T1G. Okay, when that splitting takes place, at that time when that goes in this way. Okay, so what is that here? This is mu1, this is mu2, this is mu3. Okay, that means when the ground state term is quartet F, it splits like that way. This is mu1, this is mu2 and this is mu3. Right here mu1 is equal to quartet T1G to quartet T2G. See here mu1, that means quartet T1G up to quartet T2G. Okay, then write down the mu2. See here mu2, quartet T1G to quartet T1G. Okay, then after that mu3, quartet T1G to quartet T1GP. Okay, that means here values are also given. What is that value? 83550, then 17850, then 20,000. Okay, centimeter inverse. Okay, this makes we have to calculate the value of 10 dq value. Here mu1, what is that formula? Mu1 is equal to 8 dq. Okay, that means mu2 minus mu1 which is equal to 10 dq. This is the formula. Then 10 dq value किती येईल मग? 17550 minus 8350. Then we get the answer here 9500 centimeter inverse. This is the value of 10 dq. Okay, after that 10 dq which is equal to 1 upon root 3 in bracket twice mu2 minus mu3. This is the formula plus 5b. Okay, you just put the values in all and then we get the value here. b is equal to 10 dq ची value किती येते? 9500. 1 upon root 3 twice in bracket 17850. Okay, minus mu3 किती आहे? 20,000. After that plus 5b. From that we have to calculate the value 4.426667.67. This is the value of b. Okay, after that when we get the value of b, now we have to calculate the parameter b upon b0, Napier-Zatic parameter. Then you just put the values of b. 853.33 divided by 971. Okay, then we get the answer 0.87. This is the parameter. This is the simple example. We have to calculate the values mu1, mu2, mu3. In this, write down this mu1, mu2 and mu3 in diagram, that means splitting. Okay, this is all about the complexes showing the absorption bands at a different extinction coefficient. The unit of this extinction coefficient is liter per mole per centimeter respectively. Okay, you have to calculate the spectrochemical parameter, that means dq, and Napier-Zatic parameter. Okay, with the help of different relations or formulas. Okay, thank you.